Okay, identities are pretty cool. Um, they are equations that are true no matter what you plug into the variable. So let me just let me give an example of something that's not an identity, so you can kind of see more what an identity is. So say like we had two 2x equals I don't know 8. Well, there's only one solution to that equation that will make it true, and that's 4. We'd have to plug in 4 for x for that to be true. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. If I plug in a 10, so 2 times 10, that's 20, equals 8. I mean, that's nonsense. 20 does not equal 8. So actually, so the only solution there is to that equation is 4. An identity, however, is an equation where you can plug absolutely anything into it. Well, that's a number anyway. Um, and it'll still be true. So here's a really sweet little example. X equals X. If I can plug anything in for X, and that'll be true. So let's say 14. Let's say X is 14. My green, my green keeps disappearing. 14. I plug in 14 for X. 14 equals 14. That is true. That's a 4. That's not a 9. So yeah, that's true. No matter what. So this is a pretty trivial little example. X equals X. You can get a little bit more, a little fancier. So X times 1 equals X. You plug in anything, and it'll work. So um, let's say 8. X equals 8. Let X equal 8. So 8 times 1 equals, that's a times, equals 8. Is that true? Yes. Let's just to just to prove this to you, let's plug something else in. How about 27,000? Let x equal 27,000. So 27,000 times 1, 20, where am I going to put that? 27,000 times 1 is equal to, and plug in 27,000 for x. So that's an identity because you can plug in any number for x and this equation will still hold true. Another one is x times 0 equals 0. So, I don't know, pick a number. Let's pretend like you just picked 7. So, x equals 7. I'm plugging in a 7 here, 7 times 0. Does that equal 0? Definitely. Yep. So, uh, you can make up your own identities. I encourage you to do that. Let's do, here's one, I don't know, 4x plus 2 equals 2 times 2x plus 1. So let's try that one out. Maybe plug in a 1 for x. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Plug in a 1 for x here. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 or plus 1 is 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 equals 6. That works. Plug anything in. That'll work. There's all kinds of identities in math. Some of them are, pretty useless, like this one that I came up with. Others are pretty nice that you already know about, like these. There's crazy ones like this. This is Euler's four-square identity. It's nuts, but apparently that works. All kinds of stuff. So see if you can come up with your own.